Let's plot f of x on a graph. We'll plot any 2 points on the graph. Now we'll draw a line passing through these points. We need to find the slope of this line. We know that slope is equal to the distance between points y coordinates divided by distance between points x coordinates. Here we can replace x1 with just x. So y1 can be replaced with f of x. Let's say that the distance between x values of 2 points is h. Then we can replace x2 with x plus h, and replace y2 with f of x plus h. Now we substitute the values in the slope function. Now if we let h approach 0, the 2 points will be pretty much at the same point. The function becomes a limit, and the derivative is the slope of this line.